In today's digital world, SEO is more important than ever. With billions of people searching for information online every day, businesses need to make sure their websites are visible in search results. What is SEO? SEO is the process of optimizing a website for search engines. This includes things like keyword research, content optimization, and link building. Why is SEO important? SEO is important because it can help businesses reach a wider audience and generate more leads and sales. When a website ranks higher in SERPs, it is more likely to be seen by potential customers. How to improve your SEO? There are a number of things you can do to improve your SEO, including conducting keyword research to identify the keywords that people are searching for, optimizing your website content for those keywords, building backlinks from high-quality websites. SEO is an essential part of any online marketing strategy. By investing in SEO, businesses can improve their visibility in search results and reach a wider audience.